Hey guys, it's Cass. In this video, I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me clean girl makeup and a makeup tutorial for back to school. This is a tutorial for you guys, so if you still wanted to look fresh and not like a zombie, you should watch this. Before we get straight into the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell down below so you won't miss any content like this and to see more of my makeup tutorials. Anyways, let's start with the makeup tutorial. Let's go. Time to prep our skin. First, we need to put our primer. You can also use tinted sunscreen for your primer. Since I highly prefer the sunscreen since it's very lightweight and very smooth for the skin. And you can use it as your moisturizer for your face. Next, for my base, I'll be using this Happy Skin tinted sunscreen. This is very different from the one that I use because this one is tinted already. And it's also not harsh for the skin. I really prefer like tinted sunscreen if you're like a beginner makeup user. So if you're like me, the type of person who gets like those kind of lumps on their skin when they use foundation, since foundation, the chemicals that they use is kind of strong for like a dry skin, I really recommend tinted sunscreen instead of using foundation as your base. Then I'll be using this Happy Skin Nude Beige Concealer. I really love the Happy Skin product since it's really safe for my own skin. It's very light and the chemicals is not too strong, so I highly recommend you guys using the brand Happy Skin. Now time for the eyebrows. So for the next look for your eyebrows, you don't really need to draw your eyebrows. So what I do is you just need to brush it up. For me, I don't really like drawing my eyebrows. I prefer it to be just the natural way of what my eyebrows look like without anything on it. So I just brush it up with brow gel. Ta-da! But yeah, for a simple look, you don't really need to draw on your eyebrows. Next is contour. This is very optional if you really just want a really simple makeup, or if you don't really own a contour, then you can just skip this part because I really prefer putting a little bit of contour for my makeup since I like how the contour kind of refines my face, makes it have like this shape thing. So yeah. Also PS, I hope you don't mind my explanation. I'm really bad at explaining things and I thank you. So contour done, now it's time for the powder. The powder that I'm using comes from Dr. Sensitive. The product's really good for a face and a simple beginner friendly makeup. Next is this BLK oil blush syrup thingy. This is what I use to put in my cheeks. And that's time to blend. This is also good for the people who has like the dry textured skin since I'm not really a fan of the powder and the oil base keeps it very moisturized and smooth with a finishing touch. And we just gotta blend. And I also added some powder so it will just look a little bit lighter. Now time for the eyelashes. So this is optional. You can like not curl your lashes if you don't have any eye curler, or like you can also not put any mascara if you don't want to. But here's the mascara that I'm using from Brand Bliss. It's very light and it's not really that thick, and I love this brand. It's very beginner friendly if you only wanted to start with a very simple light makeup with mascara. Oh, and the thing that I'm doing with my eyes and method that I use so I can cover up everything on my lashes when I'm using my mascara. Looking good. Another optional thing is you can put some highlighter. You can also choose not to put highlighter because yes. Time for the lippy. So I'm using Roman shade 23 Macadamia. It's very cute. The color is very cute and I like the shade of the lippy, and it matches my warm toned skin color with the shade. See that? It's very pretty and it's very demure looking. So you guys should try this shade. So lastly, for my setting spray, I'm using this Get a Grip spray, which is the dewy look thingy, and now I'm fanning it. I finished with the makeup. Now time for the final look. Ta-da! This is the final makeup look. Hope you enjoyed this simple makeup tutorial for school or for your everyday look. Featuring Romand.